The Eastview High girls soccer team was renowned not just for their unbeatable streak in the regional league but also for their exuberant post-game celebrations. It all started at the beginning of the season when Haley, a charismatic left winger, suggested that every victory should be marked with a unique celebration, turning each match into a memorable spectacle. Their first victory was simple yet heartfelt, as the team huddled in the center of the field, hands united, shouting their motto, "Unity Invicta." But as the wins piled up, the celebrations grew more elaborate. In the fourth game of the season, after a dramatic penalty shootout, the entire squad burst into a choreographed dance routine right there on the pitch, with groovy steps perfectly synced to a blast from a portable speaker carried by their coach, Miss Thompson. The dance was recorded by a parent and soon went viral, becoming a small sensation in the community. As the season progressed, each victory added layers to their tradition. As an impromptu fashion show where each player donned humorous outfits over their uniforms, strutting down an improvised runway marked by soccer cones to the cheers and laughter of the crowd. Another time, they orchestrated a mock award ceremony, humorously honoring each other's quirks and talents, from the most likely to oversleep for Tice to the best goal celebrator. The pinnacle of their creativity came during the final match, which clinched the league title. They had arranged with the school band to join them on the field post-victory. As the final whistle blew, securing their win, the band erupted into a lively tune, and the girls, joined by their opponents in a wonderful show of sportsmanship, formed a conga line that snaked around the field. Celebrating more than just their victories, the Eastview High girls soccer team celebrated their spirit, teamwork, and the joy they brought to every game, making their season unforgettable, not just for their flawless record, but for the joy they shared.